everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the third class of dancing rhythm. At the previous video, we already did the main beat, which is bass, ton, 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 bass, bass. This time we're going to add new beats for improvisation, which is ton, ton, bass, bass, ton, ton. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat is bass, slap, 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 bass, ton, ton. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the third class of dancing rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.